It's Monday, February 20th. Today's the day I get to start tracking drums for Death Club. So we have 4 songs. I'm heading over to We Love Sound Studios. Our friend Dane's gonna hook it all up and we're gonna see how I do. Here we are. Here's the kit we're using. It's a nice sparkly pearl, maple complete. Kick sounds sweet. Kick sounds deep. Anyway, you'll hear it. And here we go. We're gonna check out some of the tracks. Oh, I'm so much happier with that part. Yeah. Yes.